Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best baby suits that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Galaxy Baby Tie Striped Suit. Your little bundle of joy will be all set to make their entry as the cutest guest by wearing this baby suit. Made out of cotton, your baby will not cry due to discomfort as it is extremely comfortable. In addition to this, the tuxedo design coupled with a bow tie is perfect for all sorts of occasions. Plus, it has long sleeves to give a formal look. Be it spring, summer, or any other seasons, the romper is what your child of 3 to 24 months old needs. Moving on at number 4, we have Spring Notion Baby Boys Suit Set. The suit set for baby boys from Spring Notion has all the qualities that you are looking for. This single-breasted jacket has a classy as well as a relaxing fit, and it is all lined with 2 buttons. Also, it has elastic in the waist. At the same time, the necktie can be adjusted according to your child's comfort because it has a buckle. More to that, the shirt is built of cotton and polyester, whereas the pant is made of 100% polyester. With a button front along with a zip fly, the pant also has an elastic back. This complete suit is tailored trimmer than our popular classic fit tuxedo. The suit has narrower lapel and slightly tapered waist, narrower through body and longer jacket length. The front upper pocket is sewn shut at delivery but can be opened to accommodate a handkerchief. Vest has adjustable strap at back. For size 2T4T, pants has flat front and elastic back. For size 5 to 20, pants has button zipper front and elastic sides. At number 3, we have Black and Bianco Baby Boy Suit. A formal look is what a child needs for any occasion, and this imported suited is your suitable choice. Being made of 100% polyester, it has 2 buttons placed right in the front and a vent at the back. The elastic waistband is located at the back that makes it appropriate to pick for a child of any waist size. Furthermore, it has a long necktie which can be easily adjusted for a hassle-free closure. At number 2, we have Wesitem Baby Boy Suit Outfits. This baby boy suit from Wesitem will provide a new different look for your beloved little one on a special occasion. It is highly the product of soft organic cotton, which is going to provide ultimate comfort for the baby. Being stitched perfectly, the suit is pretty resistant to tearing and being worn off. Within its set of 3 pieces, it includes a shirt, pants, a vest, a bow tie, a beret hat, and elastic pant clips that can be removed. And finally at number 1, Gino Giovanni brand Formal Boy Suit. A brand that has a remarkable position in the market. The formal suit from US Fairy Tales has a single-breasted jacket that also has a notch lapel. For facilitating a lovely fit, the pant sports an elastic waist. Next, the vest is lined fully, thus, it appeals to the eyes of the viewers. Execute the perfect look with a premium quality tie that can be adjusted at par convenience. The suit is tailor-made to suit one's needs. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.